Hello world, I'm Isabel, and 3 years ago I started my journey in cloud development, and since then I managed to pass a couple of AWS certifications. I thought about to make this video to share how I studied and passed AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. So at the time I was totally new to cloud development, and a little bit of background, I didn't study computer science. I was working in customer service before changing my career to IT. The only technical thing I'd done in my life was a short front-end course that I took out of curiosity. So I'm making this video because I'm hoping it will inspire you to go further and help you feel less lost. So let's start. The Cloud Practitioner exam is one of the easiest AWS exams that they have. When I took the exam, I was already working for about 6 months as a junior cloud developer. But the first thing I did to prepare for this exam, I went over to the AWS official website and I downloaded the exam guide. I used the exam guide to make a plan. Luckily, AWS already breaks down the topics by how much weight they carry in the exam. So I used that to divide my time, and I dedicated about 10 to 15 hours of study per week. So this is how I did it. I would read for about 10 to 15 minutes a topic, and then I would repeat to myself what I just learned. If something was confusing or technical, I would look for a video explanation and then go do a hands-on lab. So this combination actually helped me understand concepts instead of just memorizing them. After a month of only learning the topics and hands-on labs, I moved on to the practice test. After taking the first practice test, the results were super disappointing. So I didn't let that bring me down, because each wrong answer showed me exactly where I was weak. It gave me the opportunity to actually improve. The practice tests that I use are actually, the practice tests that I actually used are from this book. It's a book made by Neil Davis. I discovered him because I was looking for a video explanation for a topic, and I kind of resonated with his style of explanation. So the book has 6 practice tests, and in the first part, he has the 6 practice tests with the questions and the answers. And in the second part, he has the same practice tests, but he also gives the answers and he also gives explanations. Actually, this is what I really loved about Neil in his book, that he's explaining why each answer is right and why the others are wrong. This really helped me start thinking the way AWS is expecting me to think. And honestly, you can't memorize all the services. It's actually more important to understand the concepts, the basic concepts, and then how to reason through the questions. So yeah, this is how I did it. Set a realistic goal, study smart and not just hard. And don't stress about not knowing everything. You just have to focus on understanding the key ideas. So in my next video, I'll actually share a couple of different mini projects that helped me learn for this exam. And if this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. Are you taking the exam, or are you stuck somewhere? I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching and good luck in your cloud journey.